Hello guys, nasa Vancouver na ako. Alam nyo ba na magkaiba yung oras ng Vancouver at Calgary? Dito is 11 o'clock, sa Calgary is 12. So advance ng 1 hour yung Calgary sa Vancouver. Ma'am, I'm going to train station. This way? Where is way going to train station?
Train station, you just walk here after the benches here.
Filipino?
Oh, pag
Kumusta?
nakita mo yung mga upuan dyan, mag-escalator ka pataas.
Thank you ma'am, salamat. Naku, maulan talaga. Tapos yung jacket ko, walang hood. My God. See that? Ang layo pa na lalakarin ko. Ayoko rin mag-taxi. Mahal ang Uber dito eh. Nilalamig ako kaya ito yung kakainin ko. Soup, chicken noodle.